Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the format painter in your diagrams and presentations on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your presentation on Lucidchart, and next let me show you where you can find the format painter. You'll find it at the top of that left sidebar here. So you can click into it once to use it for one element, or as you can see, according to this instruction, if you double click on it, you can keep it active. So let me, for example, use the format painter for, I don't know, that text box here. Click into it and apply it to that text box. Click into the given shape, select format painter and click into the second shape. And now, as you can see, the text format has been basically copied from that text box here with that centered alignment and the same font style, font color, font size, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.